Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Revi Damayanti from Accounting Class 23A with study number 2341207. Today, I will present a topic about environmental management accounting of order called EMA. In modern business, companies are no longer just judged only by how much profit they generate. Society, government, and investors also expect companies to take responsibility for their environmental impact. Many business activities use natural resources as water, energy, and raw material, and these activities can sometimes produce waste or pollution. Because of this, companies need a system that helps them monitor environmental costs and manage their environmental impact more effectively. Environmental management accounting help organization identify environmental costs, analyze resource usage, and support better decision making. In this presentation, I will explain the concept of EMA, its objective and important for organization, and how it can help companies achieve both financial and environmental goals. So, environmental management accounting is management tools that help companies collect and analyze information related to environmental costs and resource consumption. The main goal is to support internal decision making within the organization. Unlike traditional accounting, which mainly focus on financial reporting, AMA also consider environmental aspect of business operation. This includes information about energy consumption, water use, waste production, and pollution control costs. By analyzing this information, manager can see the relationship between environmental activities and company expenses. This understanding helps companies reduce unnecessary costs, improve efficiency, and minimize environmental impact. In another word, it may help organizations integrate environmental responsibility into their business strategies. The objectivities of environmental management accounting are closely related to improving both financial performance and environmental responsibility. One important objective is to identify environmental costs that may not be visible in traditional accounting system. Many companies do not realize how much money they actually spend on environmental issues such as waste treatment or energy consumption, and may help us reveal these hidden costs. Another objective is to support better decision making by providing manager with accurate information about resource use and environmental performance. AMA also aims to encourage companies to adopt more sustainable practice, such as reducing waste and improving energy efficiency. In addition, AMA help organizations comply with environmental regulation and respond to increasing public awareness about environmental protection. Next, environmental management accounting is very important for organizations because it helps them understand the full impact of their operation. Many companies focus only on financial costs without considering environmental consequences. However, environmental problems such as pollution or excessive resource use can create long-term risks for business. AMI help organizations identify the risks and manage them more effectively. It also helps companies discover opportunities to improve efficiency and reduce operational costs. For example, by analyzing energy consumption, companies may find ways to reduce electricity use and the lower expenses. In addition, implementing AMI can strengthen a company reputation because stakeholders increasingly value organizations that demonstrate environmental responsibility. Next, environmental management accounting. Companies identify several categories of environmental costs. Waste management costs include expenses related to collecting, treating, and disposing of waste produced during operation. Pollution control costs involve investment in equipment or technology designed to reduce emission and pollution. Energy costs refer to the consumption of electricity, fuel, or other energy sources used in production process. Environmental monitoring costs are related to measuring and evaluating environmental performance, such as testing air or water quality. Finally, environmental training costs are associated with educating employees about environmental responsibility and sustainable practice. By identifying these costs clearly, companies can manage them more effectively and look for ways to reduce increasingly spending. Next, environmental management accounting plays an important role in managerial decision-making. Managers need accurate and reliable information when deciding how to improve production process or reduce environmental impact. MA provides this information by knowing how environmental activities influence company costs. For example, a company may consider investing in new technology that reduce pollution and energy consumption. At first, this investment may appear expensive, but AMA can help calculate the long-term benefits such as lower energy bill and reduce waste management costs. By analyzing this factor, manager can make decisions that are both economically beneficial and environmentally responsible. Next, another important function of environmental management accounting is measuring environmental performance. Companies need to monitor their environmental impact regularly to ensure that their operation is sustainable. MAA help organizations track several indicators, such as the amount of waste produced, the level of energy consumption, water use, and pollution emissions. This indicator provides valuable information that help managers evaluate whether their environmental programs are successful. If the results show that environmental performance is improving, it means the company's strategy are effective. However, if the indicators show negative results, manager can identify the problem and develop new strategies to improve environmental performance. Next, environmental management accounting provides many benefits for organizations. One major benefit is better control over environmental costs because companies can identify where their environmental expense come from. This helps organizations reduce unnecessary costs and improve efficiency. AMA also encourages companies to use records more responsibly, which leads to reduced waste and lower environmental impact. Another benefit is improved compliance with environmental regulation, which help companies avoid penalties or legal problems. In addition, companies that apply EMA often gain a better reputation among customers, investors, and the public. This positive image can increase customer trust and strengthen the company competitive position in the market. Next, companies can implement several environmental management strategies with the support of environmental management accounting. One strategy in adopting cleaner production technologies that produce less waste and pollution. Another strategy is implementing recycling programs so material can be reused instead of being thrown away. Companies can also reduce energy consumption by improving production efficiency or using energy-saving equipment. Some organizations choose environmentally friendly raw materials that are less harmful to the environment. AMA EMA help managers analyze the cost and benefit of these strategies so they can choose the most effective solution for both the company and the environment. Next, despite its benefit, implementing environmental management accounting can be challenging for some companies. One challenge is measuring environmental impact in financial terms because not all environmental effects can be easily converted into monetary values. Another challenge is the lack of knowledge of expertise related to environmental accounting. Some organizations may also lack proper systems for collecting environmental data. In addition, implementing environmental programs may require additional investment, which can make companies hesitant to adopt them. However, with strong management commitment and proper training, this challenge can be overcome and companies can successfully implement a EMA. So, in conclusion, environmental management accounting is a valuable tool that helps organizations manage environmental costs and improve environmental performance. EMA provides useful information about research usage, environmental impact, and operational efficiency. By applying a EMA, companies can identify hidden environmental costs, reduce waste, and make better management decisions. In addition, a EMA supports sustainable development by encouraging responsible use of natural resources. Therefore, environmental management accounting plays an important role in helping business achieve long-term success while also protecting the environment for the future generation. So maybe that's all my presentation. Thank you for watching and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.